Hey, what's up Cardano holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now friends. Once again I'm present with the latest update of the Cardano. My friends, what's going on with this time Cardano? As you know, it is the first day of June and the people are very excited for the Cardano Ada, that what's going on and what should we do at this time. Absolutely, it's gonna be a very crazy situation in Cardano. So we in this video we check the latest update of the Cardano. What is the latest update of the first June, and can there is a lot of chances, can there is a more chances to Cardano move upward in the future. We discuss in this video. Keep watching this video till the end, and if you are new to my channel, so please subscribe now ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos. Now first let's see the latest update on the screen. You can see now on the screen, if you look the price chart of the now the latest price of the Cardano, you can see here 1.75 USD dollar is the latest price of the Cardano. People ask me this question about the Cardano, then when will they going to head to USD dollar, my friends? So we can't see about the future, but anyways, if we do a technical analysis, if we do a research about Cardano, so we found that easily can head this month, my friends. And this month they can easily head to USD dollar. That is my target for the Cardano Ada, my friends. Anyways, let's see what's going on in this video. Stay connected with the ABS Tech channel, and please make sure to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos. Now on the other side, if we talk about the price changes occurring at this time in the Cardano, so absolutely my friends, the whole changes occurs in the Cardano is going positive. You can see here, my friends, the last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 1 week, last 1 hour pricing is 1.86% going positive. Last 1 day pricing is going 5.57% positive. Positive 13.2% going positive. Oh my god, so I'm feeling very excited to see this kind of positive change over in the Cardano. My friends, I suggest for everyone, I recommend for everyone to it's time to hold, my friends. Absolutely, if you decide to sell, so you are in the lows. Anyways, we can't say I'm not a financial advisor. Remember that if you want to invest, buy, sell or hold any cryptocurrency, so please do your own research. That's a better decision for everyone, my friends. Please do your own research on the price chart, on the previous moves of the Cardano. You can find a good decision for yourself, my friends. And also IBS Tech channel also guide you. That is why I'm telling you again and again to please subscribe now, like this video for more this kind of news and updates videos. IBS Tech channel will make you millionaire with the cryptocurrencies market. That is the first vision of the IBS Tech channel, my friends. So that is why for everyone, I will request everyone please, at this time the Cardano is already going positive, so that's why I request everyone to please subscribe now ABS Tech channel. So now my personal suggestion for all of you is that it's time to hold, not to sell, my friends. Anyways, what is your opinion? What is your prediction about Cardano? Please also share in the comment box. And don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel. Stay connected with the ABS Tech channel. See you in next video. Thank you so much for watching this interesting video.